Alright guys, in this lesson we're going to talk about affiliate marketing as a marketing strategy. Now you already recommend friends probably offline to certain businesses and places, so maybe an oil change place or a restaurant, a new restaurant in town that people need to try, or oh my gosh, I had this great experience here at this hair salon, whatever the example is. Now you probably don't get paid for those referrals offline. Sometimes companies can have things set up for this, but online you can get paid for this. So if you didn't already know, that's called affiliate marketing, and it's tracked through unique links, and you can set up with program companies that where you can market specific products or services online and get paid for sending people to those products and services. So if you already know about this, that's awesome. If you don't, that's what affiliate marketing is. It's getting paid for that. Alright, so there's a number of these programs online. Let's talk about some of them and show you. Alright, so Amazon.com, Amazon Associates, is probably the most widely used version of affiliate marketing that there is online. It's the easiest to sign up for. It's really simple. You send links and you get paid fees and commissions for those. I'll show you a few other options real quick. So Rakuten Marketing, I think that's how you pronounce that. I believe it's a Japanese company. I don't actually know how to pronounce it. But so they own another company called EBOOK that I've talked about a lot. But so it's a large affiliate marketing company as well. And another one that's great for digital products is called ClickBank. But those aren't the only ones. There's also CJ.com, which is CommissionJunction.com, PepperJam, Share a Sale. Those are some other ones that are also out there and available. Now, a few things that I would mention are be sure to follow the rules of these companies. Some of them may not allow you to post on social media, or they may not allow you to send links in email. I think Amazon is actually one that does not allow you to send links in email. So be sure that you're paying attention to those rules and regulations of those companies. And also, I would say be sure to sell items that you know and trust. This is my opinion. I think you should sell things that maybe you have used before. You don't have to. People will market things that they've never used before, maybe read other people's reviews, do their research, and sell. But I think you have the best opportunity if you're referring products and services that you have used, you know, you trust, and you can refer those out. Now, how do you do this? You could make a video on YouTube about the resource, etc. Do a review video. You could write a blog post about these items. You can educate people on how to use the product, the pros, the cons. So not only what you like, but also what you don't like about it. I think people are prefer to have a genuine review, a genuine response of not just all the positives, but also some negatives of items as well, of what you found. And people are more apt to trust you and to purchase those products through your links. So if you don't already use affiliate marketing as a marketing strategy, be sure to get going on that today. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Please, if you liked it, hit the like button. Subscribe if you'd like to get more videos like this from me. You can even hit the little bell notification icon to actually get notified every time those videos come out. And so I believe that life and business is one great adventure, and I would really love to journey that with you. So I think that we shouldn't just think outside the box, but we should completely destroy the box. So below in the description, you'll find some links, a couple of resources, a couple of free ebooks, ways to make money online, as well as how to connect with me. And I would also love for you guys to pop a comment down below. I'd really love to keep in touch with you. Take care.